Soprano is Capita's new interface into the library management system for staff. It's web-based and it's designed to be on a mobile device. So that mobile device can be an iPad or a Samsung Galaxy or any of those devices, and any size of those devices as well. So we're all aware of the iPad mini and the smaller things like the Kindle Fire, and it's designed to sit on those, and it's for staff to be able to access the information that's required about either borrowers or items in a very easy and intuitive method. Soprano's been used by libraries in a variety of ways depending upon which sector they're in. So we've found that academic libraries have used it for things like academic liaison librarians, going out to sites, going out to faculties and taking basically the library management system with them. So it's something that as long as they've got some internet access, they can either look up details about a particular borrower or a particular item and being able to interact really easily and straightforwardly with the particular user there. Other areas that academic libraries have used it for tends to be in the larger libraries, and basically it gets the library staff, the circulation staff, say from out behind the desk and gets them at the shelves, being able to help people, answer queries that students may have, and also being able to make amendments to particular items there and there on the shelf. So it's far more immediate. In the public libraries, it's been used mainly for outreach work, so for things like housebound visits or on a mobile library van. And again, the advantage is it's in real time, it's easy to use, it's got a simple and straightforward interface for them to be able to interact with, and being able to serve the needs of those particular customer set. I think the final area that we've found some interest from is people who perhaps don't use the library management system very often. A couple of examples of that would either be volunteers within a public library service, because it can be cut down and structured and primed for volunteer use, or perhaps even within call centres. So call centre staff who are answering queries, far easier to be able to give them access to Soprano, which is the web interface, rather than perhaps the more functionally rich interface of Alto, which is the traditional staff interface. What it does is it mobilises staff. Whilst it can be used on a PC, it can be used on a traditional desktop environment. The idea really is it's putting the library in somebody's pocket, is the phrase that's used. So it's about being able to take the library management system out and away from the perhaps more traditional use of being behind the desks. The benefit is far greater interaction with the users, far easier interaction with the users, and far more intuitive for staff to use as well, so that they can easily and simply serve the requirements of that particular user in a very friendly way, without that traditional type of barrier in front of them. So what really Soprano is about redefining the library management system and the interactions with the library management system. So it's moving very much from it being a task-based system, so issue, return or whatever, into more a driven by the particular person that's in front of the member of library staff or the particular item that they have. So it's just redefining the way that the library interacts with that user or that particular item.